production line for you. The first step is making so many coppers into one cold wine. This is the second step. As we all know, the cable has 4 cold wires inside. This machine can make 4 cold wires together. When the 4 cold wires were made together, we do the cold material injection, like the PVC TPU. Now it is the third step, cutting. You can be able to cut the length that you need. This is a soldering step. This automated soldering machine, it can make the connector more thickness and tightness. This is the connector injection step. After the connector injection, we get the semi-finished product. For the semi-finished product, we will do the first time QC. After the first time QC, we will test the cable by our testing machine. After the testing, we will assemble the metal on the connector. Okay, I believe you have now the whole production line. For the finished product, we have the second time QC. This is the final testing for the finished product. Okay, it is the last production line, packing. We have our own packing team, and this is our packing production line. Let's have a look.